What is delegated proof of stake and proof of history? Delegated proof of stake is an upgraded version of proof of stake. In proof of stake, the validator is being chosen randomly by the algorithm from the pool of stakers. In delegated proof of stake, the validator is nominated by the pool of staker. Suppose there's a classroom of children. In proof of stake, one child will be randomly selected from this classroom of children to be the validator. Whereas in delegated proof of stake, the children will come together to nominate some person to do the validation. And there's two advantages to DPoS. First, transaction can take place faster because there's limited number of validators. Second, there's like corporate governance in the network. Now, one disadvantage of DPoS is people with lesser stake may not be able to vote. Some examples of DPoS are Luna and also the Tron network. Now, you may also have heard of proof of history. An example of it is Solana. Solana uses both proof of stake and proof of history. In short, proof of history is not a consensus mechanism like proof of work or proof of stake. We can simply understand proof of history as a timestamp mechanism. So every transaction has a timestamp tagged to it. For a validator to approve a transaction, they need to communicate with one another to confirm what time the transaction took place. And this process takes time. With proof of history, there is a timestamp tagged to the transaction, so this process can be speed up. Hence, transaction can take place faster. So there you go, delegated proof of stake and proof of history.